jurors listened to witnesses again for day 2 of the murder trial of Martin Edmo Ish. He's the man accused of killing Lauren Red Elk 8 years ago. A jury sequestered from Twin Falls heard from witnesses who were there the night Red Elk was beaten to death outside of a Pocatello bar. KPVI News that works for you reporter Magdala Lusant was in the courtroom today. She has the details.
On the second day for what could be a 2-week murder trial, the court heard 6 witnesses tell their side of the story of June 14, 2009. The state's first witness was Jody Walker, the bartender at Duffy's. She said a black man wearing a dark blue do-rag and dark hoodie, fairly tall and stocky, entered the bar and seemed angry, upset, and frustrated. Walker says she got a phone call from the bartender at the Bourbon Barrel, where Ish was first kicked out of that night. Walker told a bouncer in the bar she was warned to keep an eye on the gentleman. Walker then said to the bouncer, who was then victim, Red Elk, introduced himself to the man, who's named Martin. 3 other witnesses testified. They saw Red Elk escort the man outside the bar. Walker, the last person to see Red Elk, said he left to make a quick run home. Minutes later, Walker says they found Red Elk laying in a puddle of blood with a hole in his face, choking on his own blood. A friend and ex-girlfriend of Ish also took the stand. The ex-girlfriend says Ish later called her over the phone and says he may have gotten into a fight. The friend says Ish walked to his Chubbuck home asking for a ride to Fort Hall, but also asked him to drive by Duffy's and see what's going on. Reporting in Pocatello, Magdala Lusant, KPVI, News that works for you.
Now, the trial is expected to last another week.